Hey, welcome and good morning. My name is Alok. I'm an online English spoken teacher, and sometime when I go on some site or somewhere, so I try to bring some information. Generally, I teach how to speak English, but written communication also somewhere impact in our image or in general life. So we keep writing, or sometimes we keep make mistaking, right? And we keep mistaking. So many times we don't remark and somebody read it, and ultimately somehow our image is being impacted by the writing, right? So spoken, let's say I'm speaking, if I make mistake, people generally forget, but when you type something, that remains for longer. It is always over there in somebody's inbox or somebody message box. So today I have also done some earlier video, but today that post I found somewhere in Facebook, and somebody he lives in other country, like they don't belong from India. He lives in Singapore, and that Singapore he had given some job description. In that job description, it is excellent. Why I'm gonna paste here and write here? Because we think like if we belong from some particular in country, at that time we think like we make mistake only. That country people are too talent. That country people think the same. Like those people are talent. We are poor. We are poor in English, but this is what we think. Except native, we all are in the same bucket. So we don't need to think a lot. But when we are typing something, when we are writing something, at least we have to think. At least we have to verify whether we are gonna write or some correction is required. So just I'm gonna read it. Dear friends, we are from Waste Management Company located at Tuas South. Tuas South is some place in Singapore. It is written here. We would like to engage. I missed to write GE here, so only engage I have written. So excuse me for that. We'd like to engage one committed driver who have later on there was other matter written, but I got a mistake within this, so I thought why shouldn't I copy and paste here and just discuss here. See, there are kinds of people they lies in this world. Somebody is too talent, somebody is talent, somebody just still learning, and somebody is at the zero level. So at least we have to read on daily basis, we have to learn, keep on learning. So that means it's gonna give you some great knowledge, and learning is not a bad idea, right? Somebody has said like learning stops, earning stops. So just go from here. So basically what do I do here? I just classify all parts of a speech word wise, so that there shouldn't be any group of any confusion. Dear friend, dear friend, so dear is here adjective. What is adjective? So adjective basically says something about noun or pronoun. So here dear is adjective, and it's gonna say something about the friend. So here friend is noun, right? That's why we have put s. So dear friend, in adjective we never put s and s, so in noun we put it. So dear friend, so dear is here adjective, friends is friend. We are from waste management company. We, again we, we is pronoun. Which pronoun? Is a personal pronoun, first person, plural number. Pronoun. R is again be verb. Verb be. What is verb be? So be verb comes like is, am, are, was, were. They all comes under the be verb. So it is be verb. We are from. So from is preposition here. Waste management company. So here waste management both would be adjective, right? Which company? It is saying something about the company. So it is saying waste management company. So from its preposition, and waste management is adjective and company is noun. So waste management is saying like about the company. So waste management becomes adjective here. So we are from waste management company, right? Located at, so we use in or at. So at we while writing at we show the a specific location, a small position, a point. So they are saying about some small town at towards south, right? Again, at is preposition, this is noun, towards south. We would like, right? Again, we with pronoun, first person plural number. We would. So would is here model, right? What is model? We know that model. Uh, will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, ought to, must. These all comes under model. And we know model always comes with verb first. Remember, that is the grammar rules. Model always comes with verb first. So it's all right. We would like. So like is verb first. That's correct. Two, preposition. Engage. I missed here to write GE because it was not. Later on, I realized like I did mistake. So just I'm gonna express you only. So like to engage. Okay, like so to engage. To engage is infinitive. What is infinitive? Whenever we want to write some infinitive, we have to make two plus verb. So two plus verb become infinitive. It means after two, generally we have to write verb first. So to engage is here infinitive. One committed, actually there was no space, so I have written some letter here, some letter here. So one committed driver, so they are basically wanting somebody who may join in their team. They want some driver, so some driver vacancy is idle over there. One committed driver, so one, right, committed driver. So here one is again adjective, right? One means one. Committed driver, committed is also an adjective, right? Why committed? Here we can say it is ed with the commit. So generally we think like it is verb. No, because if there is verb, it requires some helping verb. So committed is past participle, and past participle is considered as an adjective, right? So one committed driver. What kinds of driver? So committed driver, right? Who have, this is there was other matter only written over there, but I didn't mention it because I was not required that. So see what mistake here that guy has done, committed. He is saying one committed driver. One means one, singular. Who, again, who is here relative pronoun. So relative pronoun we use for living things, for person, so it's all right. Relative pronoun is used for one driver, but it is being said about one driver. So one committed driver, and it means one driver who have. So have is used for plural, but you are asking for a driver. A driver means singular. So here you should write who has, not who have. So this is what mistake people make, and these all mistake are somehow I can say too deep. But if we learn some grammar rules, some grammar pattern, we get it. Like okay, it was not that tough. So what I wanted to show, we all make mistake, right? Human are air, means human always make mistake, but that can be corrected, right? It's super easy to learn something, we can make it correct. That is why we have to learn. Why company needs some professional, they are good at English communication. So whenever in any description you are going to find in job, they mention like I need somebody who is fluent in English, written excellent, verbal excellent. That is what a company needs, because they know sometimes you need to communicate with somebody. You have to type some email, you have to type some communication in, circulate it to the customer, to the internal team, external team, wherever, whatever profile you have, you hold. So these all matter. So even when I teach to my student, basically I teach how to speak, but these all rule I keep marking them while or speaking, while talking, because that is also important. People want to know while writing, so I help in that also. So thanks, I think I don't know whether it will help you or not, but what did I think, it will definitely help you out, right? So thanks, bye, and